Hi, I'm Vineet Bansal, CEO of eDominate Technologies. Mobile smartphones today are omnipotent. It is an integral part of our daily life. In fact, if we look at today, apart from the offices, even the schools, the medical services, entertainment, everything is running on mobile phones. Expand ERP provides an array of over 5 mobile applications to help your business become more efficient and give you real-time data. I will take you through all the mobile apps today in this video. One of the most important app of Expand ERP is the lead management app. As you can see the dashboard here, which is giving me the sales performance immediately as we log in. And we have the options here where we can capture leads. We have something called KPI where we can see the entire performance of the company. We have MIS reporting. So all the reports which are available on ERP can be also accessed over the mobile phone. We have something called PDF reports. So all the reports which can be generated as a PDF file and can be also immediately emailed to a client or the different stakeholders. There is something called visit log where if the salesperson is visiting a client or any location, they can always capture the visit log, and this app will also capture the geolocation of that person. And there is a survey form where many companies require their sales team to capture different survey information from their end customers. So let us go and check out how the lead screen looks like. So when we get into the lead module, we have the immediate dashboard which gives me the visibility of the leads in hand. So what are the open leads, what are the follow-ups, what are overdue. So overall it gives me a complete picture so that I do not miss a lead. Going to the next screen, we are able to see all the leads in hand. So I am getting a very nice listing wherein I can see all my customers where the lead has been generated, the value of the lead and the follow-up dates. Going to the next, let us enter a lead. So it's a very user-friendly screen where I can immediately enter the lead name. I can immediately select a contact. I can select the source. I can select the stage. And then whatever is the date of the follow-up, I can select the date of the follow-up. Coming to the next part of this, I can select the product. What are the products in this lead which are applicable? What is the quantity required, what is the rate, and immediately the product gets added, which then reflects on the summary screen. So on the summary screen, I can see the lead in hand, which is a repeat order. As you can see, it is added on the 4th row. Going further, we have the lead will get synchronized with the ERP. Now coming to the KPI dashboard. If we look at the KPI dashboard, it gives me the complete performance of my business. So I can see if I'm into exports, my export sales, pending orders, what is goods in transit, under dispatch, my domestic sale, receivables, sundry debtors and everything. So if I quickly look at some details. So what is my domestic sales? If I click, I can see my domestic sales customer wise. Now coming to the MIS reports. So we have all the sections of the MIS reports: accounts, exports, GST, production, purchase and sales. And these are also available on the ERP. If I get into the accounts, I have something called ledger details, wherein I can select a particular ledger and I can immediately see the ledger balance by selecting the interval and the period, and I am able to see the data. And it is completely real time. So if I get into more details of reports like the PDF reports where I have the aging reports, immediately on the move I can see my bills receivable aging, I can see my order status, cash bank transactions, and this is not the end. There is all sorts of reports which are available on ERP. There are about 200 reports, odd reports on ERP. They all can be brought onto the mobile phone depending on your requirements. So if we just quickly look at the cash bank transactions, I have selected the period. There is option to consolidate of multiple channels. You can consolidate by the GST number also. And then you can immediately generate the report, which is happening on real-time basis. So it's a completely PDF report. This PDF report can be downloaded, can be forwarded as an email to a particular stakeholder. So all in all, this is about the PDF reports. Now coming to the visit log. The visit log is basically a simple log wherein I immediately write down what is the purpose of visit, and the system will capture the real-time location as well and store it. So it's a very good way of, checking the performance of the individual. The next most important app in Expand ERP is the mobile HR app. In the mobile HR app, you give your mobile number and the system will send you a OTP verification once you select your database, because one employee can be in more than one databases. It will do the verification automatically once it receives the OTP. It logs in into the menu screen. Once it logs in into the menu screen, it has leave, attendance, advanced application, visit log, out of office and claims. So let us see the options one by one. In the leave option, the user has a very friendly screen where they can see what their leaves they have applied for, what are their approved leaves, what is the period of the leave, and what type of leave they have applied for. And to enter, it is a very, very user friendly and easy to enter screen. You can just simply select the date, from and to, and you can select the type of leave which is applicable, and you are done. So you have applied for the leave and it is now available here. This will immediately send a notification to the HR manager or whoever you are reporting to, and once that person approves the leave, you will also get a notification on your mobile phone. Now coming to the attendance app, it's a very simple, very straightforward app. The location is automatically coming up. Just simply click the in time, click in button, and your attendance is done. And once you are going out, you just press the out button and your timeout is updated successfully. That's it. Then we have the advanced application app. Let's go to the visit log. In the visit log, basically, it's a simple check-in, check-out kind of a concept. If you are visiting some customer or some location, you can immediately record the purpose of the visit or the feedback on the visit and things like that. And it keeps a log of it, and the location and the time is automatically captured in here. You can also specify your out time in that log. So the management can know what was the in time, what was the out time, what was the in location, and what was the out location of that visit. So from the visit log, we'll quickly get into the out of office. So there are scenarios when you need to make a visit. It can be a out of office trip, or it can be a out of station trip. So all of that can be captured in here. So the trip is official or not official and things like that. What is the purpose of the trip and the remarks. So everything is logged here. It goes for approval, and then it is also accounted for when the payroll is being processed. So I'm typing in the purpose of the out of office visit and any remarks which is applicable. That's it. I'm done. So my out of office is recorded. So that was all about the HR app. The next most important app of Expand ERP is the warehouse management app. This app is designed for handheld terminal so that you can take full advantage of an handheld terminal. The app can be logged in through a QR code scanning process. As you can see, I am going to scan a QR code on the ERP screen and it immediately logs me in. When I log in into the warehouse management app, I have the options of stacking, binning, picking, sorting, and I have a bin transfer option from and to. So let us quickly get into a picking process and a put away process. In a put away process, once we sync the data, we can see all the products that need to be stacked. So basically I have all the products here which needs to be stacked first to the stacker, and then from the stacker we will move on to a specific bin which is suggested by the handheld terminal and put the products into the bin. So first I am getting a list of all the stacked products. So I'm stacking all the products here. So once the items are placed into the stacker, in the binning process, I will first scan the bin which is already suggested by the handheld terminal. Once the bin is scanned, then I will stack one product at a time from the stacker and put it into the bin. So I'm selecting one product at a time and then adding it to the bin. And then finally syncing the data so that it goes into the ERP system. Similarly, we have the picking process. In the picking process, we can see all the list of the products which needs to be picked. So we can immediately go to the bin location, select the bin, and once the bin is selected, then we can start selecting the product one at a time and place it on the stacker. Once all the products are added on the stacker, then we can get into the sorting process, and which will actually eventually go into the packing process. So the product is ready for shipping based on the order. And then finally I can sync the data into the ERP so my inventory is updated. Another most important app is the file attachment app. So in ERP, we have a concept of file attachment in every transaction level, at the vouchers level, at the product masters and the customer masters, so that any important document can be attached, any invoice, any purchase order, everything can be attached into the ERP and can be accessed from anywhere. So to ease the functionality, we have created an app where the person can use the mobile camera, scan the document and simply attach it to a ERP transaction. So this file attachment basically is allowing me to upload any file which is already there on the mobile phone. As I can see, the file is attached, and there is also option to select the picture from a gallery, or I can also use the camera function to attach a document. Expand ERP is India's best fit cloud ERP for mid-size manufacturers who are into export and retail businesses. These mobile applications ensure efficient management of the business and increase in productivity. And it also gives you information in real time on the move. To know more about us, do visit us at www.expanderp.com. Thank you.